Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Do I look funny in these jackets? I spent a lot of money yesterday. I bought an expensive shirt. They were so naughty as kids. My friend wasn't at home when the thieves broke into her house. It's a secret. I won't tell anyone. There are 3 hotels in my hometown. Unexpectedly the dog bit the stranger, although it looked very friendly. This is Tom's bike. Tom has got 2 bikes. To my surprise, it fell apart in my hands. If you happen to win the first prize, what will you do?